What's going on, guys? So we just finished the live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit group. Right now, one of the things that I am waiting for is that DWT ended up confirming an uptrend, which means that then /CL began selling off. I'm waiting for /CL to push up because it's a descending pattern. So I'm waiting for it to push up for DWT, which is the ascending uptrend pattern, meaning that it's pushing up. For this to pull back, for me to get a good deal on DWT, and then for DWT to continue with its uptrend pattern, and then I end up being able to sell for a profit. So I'm just waiting for a good setup on DWT for it to build a nice little margin of potential recovery and be able to get that at confirmation. So quick little update for you right now. It's 7:22 a.m. and it's been a very, very, very slow start to the morning. So we'll see how today ends. Alright guys, here we go. All together on the day, we ended the day at $1,629.90. That was with UWT and DWT, and you can see the totals right there. Had a blast trading today. Just took a little bit longer than I expected. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. A little bit more of the visuals. Huge shout out to Michael for putting it all together. Really do appreciate your guys' time. Again, if you guys want to work with me on a closer basis, like I've told you multiple times before, the only option that I personally offer if you need more assistance and you're wanting to get started is that first link in the description. It's the Learn Plan Profit group. You get to watch me trade live every single day. You get access to the A to Z video lesson library, and you get access to the private group chat. It's what I offer, and it's of my assistance. So if that's something that you see value in, dedicate 5 minutes, click that first link, and check it out. Also, we do have the largest free Facebook group for those who trade in the stock market, and that's that second link in the description. Really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be a drive to success. And like always, let's make sure that we're in the year on a green out. Take it easy, team.